Ewie yete ho na the noun, the adjective, the verb, the consonant and the sentence. Mahamadu Bawumia ebe release a letter, a statement about Abronya Yachano. And I've told you, he's a sponsor of Abronye, going after Kennedy Agyapong, going after some people in the MPP. Mahamadu Bawumia is a sponsor of all the serial callers who are on social media denigrating people in the MPP. Fanti comedy, say Obama, sa girl nan hu fino. He is the one who is funding them. Abronye ohia TV Mahamadu Bawumia ni tuyaka and almost set it up mano. Inti he feels to say one of his communicators who he always makes sure say he does the jandam for him, no, he has been arrested. So he felt he needed to talk. But there's something in Bawumia's speech. And then Mibusa Ghana for say, after analyzing or reading Bawumia's speech, Mibusa say, is Bawumia mentally stable? Because there's something there that he deliberately did. So what kind of Bawumia's speech now? You will see that the verb tried to do something in his speech. You will realize that the consonant, the adjective called Bawumia, he did something deliberately in his speech. And I'll point that out to you. Miriam Makacha will say, there is a reason why I believe, I don't have evidence. I'm asking that question, say, is Bawumia mentally stable? It's a question. Don't take me out of context. I'm asking a question. I am not making an emphatic statement. I'm saying, after reading this, I'll ask if Mahamadu, the consonant, the adjective, the verb Bawumia is mentally stable. Let's read Bawumia's letter. Team, stay with me, please. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, democracy and free speech under siege. I have observed with great concern the endless assaults on the fundamental rights of officers, activists, and supporters of the new patriotic party across the country by this National Democratic Congress government. Or say, what na say, ednenia to form ashada ashe, senya nyome bi eko, ohuni se onone officers omo on the party mu, eye sebio, eye omo a omo kasamano, sebio omo a omo ye MPP supporters omo di party de chino, or say ordinania to form enya abotre eti form edi na adwene edi nyoma bi akiri ehu se NDC aban we oma sheda ena oma to oma dwum anase oma si oma dwum pi se omo betata MPP fo omo mu di nechi omo mo kasama no omo di dwuma ma no omo mo support party no o say NDC aban we odi na ni tutu fo wo hu se aban we abon dwum po esiri trimu pi se omo betata omo a omo di ni party nechi ene ne nkofo ne nkwara sebio ono ede ni sika hwe omo mo di dwuma ma no. Paragraph 2. These attacks, arrests, detentions, and unconscionable bail conditions have been a persistent feature of the NDC government since they took office on the 7th of January 2025. Or see, the verb said, or say, sa achichi, any sebio, nenkofu edom kojina quarter, yadi bail akesie swarmo, any senya, nyomebi enkoye wo courtroom sa, yadi din nkofo no, or say sa de rodine to forma NDC ba power no, adia eda omakuma swa omo ye no. Mijujom, otebrofo chemi akobie u page, na chirechirem. Paragraph 3. The latest of such acts of intimidation has been the arrest, detention, and subsequent release of David Isando for lamenting on social media about the return of Dumso. and the bizarre decision to put the NPP Bono Regional Chairman Kwame Bawumia Adorye into custody. Or say, the latest of such acts of intimidation has been the arrest, detention, and subsequent release of David Esando for lamenting on social media about the return of Doomso. Or say, Andre ya yenina ye hubi. Senya Bono eye omo nipa baako a oye dey regional eye the position Esando no for lamenting on social media and bizarre decision. Okay, or say Andre ya encheye na MPP ni a ono so ye adwuma obono okoka nsem bi o social media efa Doomso ho a ye che no ko hyemu ena yesa che eye den abronye so akoshem o say Esando no okokeka nsem bi fa Doomso ho a ono de ohunu se enya problem bia but ohunu se ya che abrante no eyi no ena yasa biem yasa che abronye into akan yupa mienu asem. But you see the most interesting thing about the third paragraph. Or say ya chi bunu ni no sa nipa na ye friend David Esando no ya chi no die na okoye ye otchere the David Esando aye otchere said David Esando no okoka nsem bi o social media efa Doomso ho ene ye chi ni ko hyemu ene ye yi no but won say edru abronye so no wan ka boni a abronye ye but all that he said was that MPP Bono Regional Chairman Kwame Adorye into custody. Or say, and the bizarre decision to put the MPP Bono Regional Chairman Kwame Adorye into custody. On say, Edu Esando no sono otchere boni potia emayachi Esando ko shemu. But Edu Adorye sono or say a bizarre decision to put the NPP Bono Regional Chairman Kwame Adorye into police custody. He refrained or free Bonia Adorye dia Emaniko police station. Ana Mayor Mandeno. Anytime we say Mahamadu Bawumia no lead the MPP no, is he mentally sound? It's a question. Because if you want us to listen to your case, if you have had that energy and audacity and intelligence to tell us what the Esando guy did, what stopped Bawumia from telling the people going to read this statement? He want to create an impression, say, Obi di boni etia no any partner. What stopped him from telling the world what exactly Adorye did in Tia? You said, say, he was put into police custody. Adorye said, onye felelebo. It should tell you something. Mahamadu Bawumia deliberately, he wants to act like he's a fool, but he's not. He's playing politics. This is pure politics. He is not a patriot. He is not a statesman. Bawumia is a selfish foot soldier who does not care about the act, the law, what actually protects this land. He is a cheap politician. So you see what he was trying to do? He mentions Esando. He mentions what he did, but when he came to Adorye, because Mahamadu Bawumia knows that Adorye has committed a crime, on to mean defending, he decided to leave that part blank. Anything Amibusa will say, is Bawumia mentally sound? It's a question. Because I'm reading the letter as a flag bearer of a political party, a former vice president, somebody they hail as an intelligent leader. I'm asking, what will make him decide not to explain Adorye's arrest to us? Just to tell us Adorye was put in police custody. Because, Sanka, Esando diano, one said the Esando yeah, no one said the Adorye yeah, Kamaka so okay. But if you have been able to tell us what Esando did and was given bail, you should be able to tell us what Adorye did for him to end up in jail. But you see, this is a cheap, low-minded. This guy is a cheap-minded, fake-ass nigger who is pretending to be a politician. The reason why I say that is that he is even misinforming in his own letter. Because when he say MPP for don't want kind Jimmy. So in the letter, he is misinforming Ghanaians. He is hiding the truth. He is covering it up, all for political expediency. He thinks to say, Jimmy, 1992. This is somebody who wants to lead the country. Somebody who wants us to say he has integrity. Somebody or person a cast on yet trophy. This is a man who wants to prove to us, say, he's worth leading this nation and that he has integrity. Is this integrity? Is this thing you are seeing integrity? But no problem. Let's move on. Paragraph 4. Or say, these actions undermine free speech and are setting Ghana's democracy backwards. Or say, Abronya na ye chine na ono Bawumia to mbie na nwanka de Abronya ye no. Ene esando na ye chine no. In fact, Ghana kebimami agencies and some elements within the judiciary to use intimidation and harassment to silence members of the New Patriotic Party. Or say, or kasetia eye president no. Or so akasetia the various state agencies, security agencies are omuyo omejumano. This is a man who wants to lead Ghana. This is a man who wants to lead Ghana. He is in opposition and he is telling us to say he is warning the president. He is basically warning the investigative agencies. He went on to say he is also warning some of the judges in our judiciary. And that he feels say they have all come together to harass another party for. So he said the executive, the various security agencies that he has had before. He used to be the head of the police council. Today, he's telling us the same police that he was the head of in the council. No, he's telling us that they are the people who are collaborating with agencies who were protecting him. The national security, the Yokos, the investigative agency that gave him protection for 8 years, protected him, his wife, his father, his mother, his family, his girlfriends. He's now telling us that those agencies, they have collaborated to come after his party people. These are the same agencies this verb wants to come and lead in 2028. Now, what kind of letter and then dangerous no? Shall send me okay? Bawumia say, I therefore serve notice or say me tonkra ediama nipa wemo. He's warning them. Bawumia say or warning nipa bi yentie di oka. Or say I hereby serve notice me tomonkra. Me warn mo. Or say I hereby serve notice to officers of the state who are active participants in this unholy enterprise, that the day of accountability will come and the abuse of state power will be accounted for. Or say, or warning security agencies, judges, the executive, also catch them say, or ti omu warning, onim say, oma komutia bom and omu bo dream. Omubo krono and omo tieti ne nkofo fa ahodie so na sebio omo teti omo na ono de o hye omo bo o woni omo se enche obenya tumi na onya tumi a obekire omo se oyetani. Mahamadu Bawumia is in opposition. He has been in opposition for just a year and 4 months, and he's warning the police, he's warning the judiciary, he's warning the executive. He's telling them, say, mon chain na me be president. You will see what I will do. Or see, the day of accountability. Or one can start drawing a line or hodada. Or nipe bi omushe ni tima. Why na ajuni so be di omu bone. That is what this means. Or see, I therefore serve notice to officers of the state. It means every single officer in the Ghana Police Service, every single officer in the Ghana military, every single officer in Navy, every single officer in any of the state agencies, or say, or the one in Ema Omunina. Now, catch them say, or no Bawumia 2028 obedi president, Nipebia Junishedi Tima obedi omuboni. Because if you don't think anybody is committing a crime, you will not ask for accountability. It is only when you believe in your heart and in your head and in your wisdom that there's somebody in the security agency working against you. And no nebetu say you are coming for accountability because to you, where you sit, they are enemies of the state. Intende, Mahamadu Bawumia eti opposition and all wanted the security agencies in Ghana. And you see, what makes it so dangerous, and they say, he didn't just warn the security agencies. Before that, he had first warned the judiciary. Mahamadu Bawumia is in opposition and warning the courts and warning judges, sending a message to them, say about power, I am going to come after you. How different is Bawumia from Akufo Addo? Because Akufo Addo, apprentice Bawumia for 8 years. Now Bawumia na any senior apprentice. So you see, Nanado Danko Akufo Addo before 2016, okotena Peace FM Kwame Sefa kind of catch Ghana for say 2016 when we win election now, or so making sure say Arab Spring is see. Or share youth, you know, say if he does not win, or won't say Kurono. And that is what he went to do at Peace FM. You see what Bawumia is doing? He is learning from Nanado Danko Akufo Addo. Right now, he is pitching the judiciary, the judges in Ghana against the party for base. No? He is pitching Ghana Security Agency and the Bishop Police Atadie, no share MPP near. They can kill the police officer because the leader of the party has said that these are people who are our target when we get power. And as we speak, every police officer is in danger. Every judiciary person, lawyer, judge, every judge is in danger. Even the executive, Bawumia is sending red meat out. Say, from today, the police is the enemy of the NPP. Today, the military is the enemy of the NPP. Today, judges are more Ghana, from what Bawumia just said, or catch any base and say, the judges are your enemies. Whatever you want to do, because waka or say onya tumia, he knows what he will do to them. And that is the message Mahamadu Bawumia is sending to the MPP base. Into China, now say attack judge or adante kuno, and a judge will stream, judge will kumasia. It is what the leader of the party is sending across. Bawumia does not have to open his mouth and say, Mukoku judge for, Mukoku police for, Mukoku Yoko for, Mukoku national security. He is giving them codes. He is sending them signal. He is directing them what to do. Bawumia is pointing out his enemies to his base. That is what Mahamadu Bawumia is doing. The same thing Nanado Danko Akufo Addo did in 2016. He pointed the red meat. He showed the young people the red meat. You see Arab Spring. You saw what happened. You saw what the Arabian young people did. Do the same if I don't win in 2017. That is the same thing Bawumia is doing from opposition. He is selling red meat to the base. So it's here the tone now. I therefore serve notice. And a ginger MPP base, you know, the Delta Force for no. Because they say, catch them say, the next time you're there, bro, when you're back court, no, so the police is your enemy. The next time you're there, bro, you're back court, no, so the judge is your enemy. If you have anything to do, do it. And that is the message Mahamadu Bawumia is sending. This is politics. Your brain needs to be sharp to understand communication. And Bawumia is setting the Ghana police, the Ghana military, the judges up. He's setting all of them up. Intende? Who share MP before TikTok and Facebook? What they will tell you say, Bawumia say ya ba. The Aremeyaw judge for no. Bawumia say ya ba. The Aremeyaw police for no. Bawumia say see there police for no. Any judge for no. Any say omuna into Bawumia is telling the base. He's feeding them red meat. Go after the police, go after the military, go after the president, and go after the judges. These are the same people telling us, say, JJ Rollins Beku judges. You see what Bawumia is doing? He is playing the same 4-4-2, Nana Addo Danko Akufo Addo's footsteps. Because Akufo Addo, the first apprentice on this planet is Mahamadu Bawumia. So don't see this statement as a joke. No. MPP for ready idea it has gingered them. Police Libya as an enemy. They can kill a police officer any day. And I'm telling you, I'm prophesying, the NPP are going to start killing police. They are going to start killing judges. They are going to start killing, and the president needs to be protected because their leader is telling them And he says, I therefore serve notice to officers of the state who are active participants, or say officers of the state, your police, national security, Yoko, Navy, Army, they are participants. He has concluded, he has made a conclusion. What MP before say, your police for, military for, national security for boma or mutatamo into munya or mama for muncho. That is the language he's sending out. So don't just read this and say it is vague. No, this is crazy statement. Mahamadu Bawumia is setting up the MPP against the state. Interne, who your police ni now we share MP before three were a sumo mekun because only the Nedinkanka say you people have come together to fight against him. Okay, last paragraph. Now, this is what he says. To patriots, to patriots around the country. Oh, so we na or setting the police up, or setting judges for the app, or katu omutim say we can kill them. We can, because the statement, that is what it means. We all learn comprehension. I've been able to decipher, to break it down for you to get a clear understanding. After he set the judges up, he set the police up, he set up all the state agencies now. Or the omato red line muno. Owie no bema omusa a message of encouragement. Also to patriots around the country. Oh, right now he's calling all of them around the nation. He's now telling them that he has made the statement. Everybody should stand and make ready to do whatever he basically is saying. Into we not say, I am calling everybody around the nation. So it means everywhere there's a police officer, your life is in danger. Everywhere there is a judge, your life is in danger. Everywhere there's a national security officer, your life is in danger. He's now calling everybody. So basically, this is a call to duty. Sorry, it is time to go after the so-called state officers who are involved or participants. So he says this, to patriots around the country, I urge you all to stay firm. So how come military to stay firm? It means clock and wait. When you enter the military, that's like I say, stay firm. And now we share a group, a radical group. Now I say stay firm. It means take a stand and clock. It will be on edge, be on alert. Bawumia is decoding. He's saying things that you need to decode. He's desperate for power. Or say, stay firm by refusing to succumb to intimidation. Or say, MPP for more gun in Yinano. Monkamo tonchum. Etone kuta wa clocky. Sekana wa clocky. Now you're dang. Ne make it sure say, Obika so obe huna wa man penny. Wane hunu no bi Ghana. Abronya dia wa ye no. Ghana mremuno. Who has said say ye tietia Abronya fa hodie so. Abronya can sama to judge so. A flag bearer is telling his followers to stand firm and never succumb to the law. Meaning he's setting them up for attack against the state. This is Mahamadu Bawumia call of duty, calling them emredu. Because he has told people, if he does not win this 2028, he will nullify this democracy. Until he goes ahead, refusing to succumb to intimidation while continue your civic duty. In politics, when they say civic duty, it means make sure that you take revenge. Stand firm. Don't succumb to intimidation and perform your civic duty. Ontebrofo, this is basically a statement of war. He's setting his people up. Into so be two of them, no a Delta Force in here with Jinjano. Say they are bringing back quarter. They can stand by, stand firm, and if there's any little slack in our security, they'll gun somebody down. This is what Bawumia is building. So you go ahead and he says this. The patriots around the country, I urge you all to stay firm by refusing to succumb to intimidation while continuing your civic duty to hold the government accountable. Who is the government? The government is the military. The government is the police. The government is the judiciary. The government is you and me. So Bawumia is basically declaring war. Mahamadu Bawumia is declaring war indirectly. Why are the people supposed to hold the government accountable? What has the government done wrong? Because when you go into our laws, no law has been broken. But Adorye made a statement he needs to do what? He needs to provide evidence to. The judge has the right to put Adorye in remand or on remand or whatever you say. So what has the judge done? What has the police done? What has the executive done? What have they done that is against the law? Never trust Mahamadu Bawumia. He's basically preparing his base to commit a crime. Because Ochina, your cook police Libya or Becca say NPP for the year tataye. But Udia Chena already the akana. Or see, this is a call to duty. Come and fight, prepare. Till the last statement, you know. We fought hard for this democracy, and as a party, we cannot surrender it to intimidation from those who possess temporary power today. This is basically go out there and take power. But how are you going to do it? Kill. Go after state agencies. Go after the court. Go after the judiciary. Make sure that we basically take over power. That's why he's saying that we fought hard for this democracy. At this point, who in Ghana has said that our democracy is being taken from anyone? Arresting Adorye for the things he has done, which the law clearly states that he has committed a crime. How can you say that our democracy basically is being taken away from us? Mahamadu Bawumia is gingering. He's telling the young people in the NPP that from now onwards, they can attack the police, they can attack the judiciary, they can attack the executive, and they can kill because today they believe. So basically, this is a revolutionary statement. Bawumia wants to destroy our democracy. And this is an opposition leader. That is why I keep asking. After reading this statement, I ask myself, is Bawumia mentally stable? There's a question mark behind it. Is he mentally stable? Now, or you're okay? Is this the man who wants us to hand over power to? Because you have already told us your intentions. This is Bawumia 101. That's why I keep asking, what is a Bawumia? This is all that he wants to come do. To me, ope. This is what he wants to come do. Give power to his party base, attack the military, attack the police, go after the judiciary so that they will feel they have basically taken over power. That is what he's doing. Because you see, his last statement, people who are in power, it is temporal. Meaning they still don't admit that there's a government running this country. And that any day, any time, when they get the opportunity, they'll take out the president. They will take out the judiciary. This is an opposition leader who is dangerous. Do not joke with people like that. He's so desperate, he does not care if he's going to bring down the government to become president. And these are the words of a dangerous leader. So, how can anybody in Ghana today, a young person, get up and say, Mahamadu Bawumia, I can trust him with power? This guy has been in opposition just 1 year. Imagine being in opposition for 3 years. Do you know what he would do? He's been in opposition for 1 year and 4 months. Too. See the kind of statement red meat he's putting out against the security agencies, against our almighty courts. Today, every judge is in danger. Because now, Bawumia, Akachere NPP for say, judge for your enemy to the NPP. Security agencies, right now, Bawumia has security protection from the government. The same person who is being protected by the government. Neyire, protection from the government. Bawumia, protection from the government. These are the same police officers, national security people, taking Bawumia in and out, going to chase girls, taking Samira out, going to follow small boys, protecting Samira's father. The same Bawumia is telling them that they are enemies of the state. It means any day they can take care of those people. This is not a man anybody can trust. And today, people say, is Mahamadu Bawumia mentally stable? Is he sound? Do you really need power? Do you want Ghanaians to trust you? Because your boss, your former boss, Akufo Addo, was the same way. That's the same way he spoke. His actions were clear when he got power. And today you want us to give you power. And being in opposition for 1 year, these are the kind of statements you are putting out.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.